Welcome to Exodus versus KeepKey. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are available in the description. In this video, we'll compare the features, strengths, and intended users of Exodus and KeepKey to help you decide which is the right choice for your crypto needs. Exodus Wallet is a versatile software wallet designed for convenience and ease of use. It supports over 200 cryptocurrencies, making it an excellent choice for users who manage diverse portfolios. Exodus is available on desktop, mobile, and as a browser extension, offering flexibility for managing crypto assets across multiple devices. Its built-in exchange feature enables quick token swaps directly within the app, while the intuitive portfolio tracker provides insights into your holdings in real time. As a non-custodial wallet, Exodus ensures users maintain full control over their private keys. However, it does not include advanced hardware-level security or features like multi-signature support, which makes it better suited for those prioritizing accessibility over maximum security. KeepKey, on the other hand, is a hardware wallet, meaning it stores your private keys offline for enhanced protection against hacking attempts. Known for its sleek design and affordability, compared to other hardware wallets, KeepKey supports a smaller range of cryptocurrencies, but focuses on securing major assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular tokens. KeepKey integrates seamlessly with Shapeshift, allowing users to exchange cryptocurrencies securely while keeping their keys offline. Its physical device and PIN protection add an extra layer of security, making it a solid option for long-term holders or users with significant crypto investments who prioritize safety over convenience. In summary, Exodus Wallet is ideal for users seeking a feature-rich, visually appealing, and accessible software solution for managing a diverse crypto portfolio. KeepKey, as a hardware wallet, offers superior security for those with a more focused portfolio or a desire for cold storage. Your choice depends on whether you value ease of use and versatility or robust physical security. Explore the links in the description to learn more about each wallet and decide which one aligns with your crypto strategy.